Hey everyone, Mandy Gladden here from Life Songs of a Busy Mom, and I am going to do an unboxing for you today. I haven't done one of these in probably years, so I'm really excited to do this. However, I have lots of subscription boxes, so I do lots of unboxing all the time, and I'm slightly addicted to Amazon, so I have daily unboxings. But I love subscription boxes. I buy a lot of things through subscription boxes. This is Stitch Fix. My skincare is through a subscription box. My supplements are through a subscription box. My music is kind of a subscription. My TV is a subscription. You know, I've done makeup subscription boxes and things like that. So I'm really excited for this Dream Girl box. And Dream Girl box looks like this. It might be backwards, but this is what it looks like. And it says wake up and dream right here. Wake up and dream. Also says you can do this. So this is kind of like a box for women, for college age women, for teens, and for young dreamers as well. This is for kind of like uplifting and motivation. I'm really excited about it. So this is a monthly subscription box, and you can learn more about it at dreamgirlbox.com. This was created by Dr. Ebony Bell. She's also a friend of mine, and the thing that I really like about what she's doing with these subscription boxes is she's also using women who have small businesses and things that they sell, and you can partner with her to add your items into her box. Now, I know that this month for this unboxing, this is the health and beauty box that I'll be unboxing. I don't know what's in this except for one thing. And I know one of the things that's in it is because I donated one of the things that was in it. But that's what's really great about it, is she also connects with women and entrepreneurs and, you know, mom bosses and boss babes and all the girls out there that, you know, are striving to do their own thing, and I just really love it. It really empowers women, and I love it. What I also like about her box is she really focuses on the inner beauty, and also it's a faith-based box. This is really helping you each day discover who you are in Christ Jesus. I really love this too because it's for girls, young girls too. They've got the college age women's box and also the teens. The teen box is the best-selling box, and then also young dreamers, which is great too. I really think a really good, positive, uplifting influence for young women is just phenomenal, and I love that. So I'm super excited. So, okay. All right, so I will get to unboxing this. This again is the health and beauty box. Now, the box that you'll be able to get with a special coupon code, stay tuned, I'll let you know about that, will be this summer fun box, and that will be next month's box. So let's take a look. And as you can see, it's sealed. I have not opened it yet, so I don't know what's in here except for one thing. So I'll go ahead and open this and see what's in the health and beauty Dream Girl box. So I'm really excited about this. I haven't done unboxings in like forever. Okay, hopefully I don't cover up the screen here. So this is what I see so far. Some really cute pink tissue paper. Oh my gosh, this thing is loaded. Lots of things in here. Okay, so the first thing is this cute little card right here that says, "Hey Dream Girl, this month's theme is health and beauty. Here's our affirmation. Say it loud and say it proud." This month's Dream Girl affirmation is, "I am beautiful, I am loved, I am healed, I am whole. I will take care of my body." I'm gonna cry. "I will cherish it. I will honor it by exercising, eating well, and caring about my appearance. My inner beauty shines through to illuminate my outer beauty, and I will take care of myself so I can be all of who God called me to be." That's beautiful. I love that. I think more and more women need to speak that over themselves and believe that in their life. So that's phenomenal. Love that. All right, then I've got the next card is all things uniquely beautiful, health and beauty tips for you, which is great. Always clean your face well, work out 3 times a week, exfoliate your skin, drink plenty of water, avoid drinking your calories, limit intake of processed foods, eat plenty of foods with omega-3 fatty acids, things like that. I'm big on that as a certified health coach. I'm really big on that kind of stuff. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables and nuts, limit stress as much as possible, and always be true to yourself. All right, so the next thing we're looking at, oh, this is so cute. Look at these recipe cards. So cute. All right, so we've got recipe cards, and I love that it comes with this cute little pink paperclip as well, and then directions on the back, and it has places where you can write the recipe, the prep, cook time, ingredients, serves, and things like that. So they're really cute. Have a cute little lemon down here, very summery, very good for you to learn new recipes that are healthy for you, and you can write them down and keep them so you can grab them whenever you need them. So I love that. The next thing I see is a purifying mask. This is a charcoal and tea tree mask. This contains charcoal, tea tree, and botanical extracts. There's no dyes, animal oil, mineral oil, parabens, or petroleum. I'm so big on that, especially with my skincare and stuff that goes on my skin. Trying to get it as clean as possible, so that's really awesome. So this looks like this, and it's just a really nice little purifying little mask that you're gonna put on your face and wear it for about 20 minutes. And then take it off. So I love that. Who doesn't love a nice mask? Okay, so the next thing we have in here is a new Ultimate Day and Night Cream. And then also there's a Power Serum, and this is from Avon. So if you haven't looked at Avon lately, this is what's going on with Avon and their skincare lately. So that's great. They've got a multi-performance day cream, a multi-performance night cream, and then their Power Serum. So some samples, and these are decent samples, so that's nice. Love that. Okay, the next thing that we have in here is, this is a little bar of, this is a bright amber lavender bar. So this is a, I guess, with some essential oils in it, and this is called Sedity Hippie, I believe I'm pronouncing that right, Sedity. Sedity Hippie at sedityhippie.com out of Wilmington, Delaware. It's a nice little bar. It's got orange peel in it, some shea butter, some vanilla, amber, lavender oil, things like that. It smells so good. Like it smells up this whole box. It smells wonderful. So I'll be excited to use that. And then the next thing is Symphony Body Products, and this is a lavender body butter, which I love body butters. Body butters are great. Let's see what's in it. Got some shea butter in it, coconut oil, some beeswax, jojoba oil, almond oil, vitamin E oil, really great stuff. This is handcrafted and all natural. Yay! Love natural things. Let's smell it. Oh my, this smells wonderful. Look, this is what it, oh, if you can see it here. That's what it looks like. It's very whipped, which is great. Let's feel this. Oh, this is great. This is nice and smooth. I'm gonna love this. So this is what it, see, has a nice little sheen to it, which is great. I love something that has a little sheen to it in the summer because it's great to have that on your shoulders or your legs. I just love that. So this is Symphony Body Products Lavender Body Butter. It just smells like lavender, which is so de-stressing and wonderful. I just love it. This is fantastic. Love this. All right, the next thing we have in here, I wonder what this is. What in the world is this? All right, so this is Plexus Slim. Obviously, this is the part of me that's in the box, but this is Plexus Slim. And basically what you do with Plexus Slim is this is how the little drink packets come, and these are natural plant-based products that help things like balance in blood sugar, and also just there's prebiotics in it, and prebiotics feed the good bacteria in your body, and your body's microbiome is where you house your immune system and really like where all of your health comes from. So keeping that in tip-top shape is really what Plexus is all about. Really big on gut health and balancing those blood sugars and keeping you feeling great. Because if your blood sugar is going up and down all day long, you're gonna get crashes, you're gonna feel tired, you're gonna be irritable, you're gonna get those food cravings and things like that. And so that's where Plexus Slim comes in, to just keep you even keeled all day long. So it is great. This is a watermelon lemon raspberry flavor. To me personally, it tastes kind of like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. Everyone's different. Some people taste more lemon, things like that. But I really love this. This is Plexus Slim. And obviously, if you have questions about that, you can ask me. Okay, moving on. We've got some facial wipes. These are Bolero facial wipes. These are cleansing facial wipes. Look how cute this bag is. This is so cute. I love this. All right, so these are facial wipes, and it's in coconut oil and sea salt formulation. So I really love that. It's a hydrating formula. So when you're trying to take off your makeup and, you know, get all the gunk and dirt of the summer and these hot days off your face, this is really great. I love that this said it is natural products, no artificial dyes, cruelty free. Love that. So these are Bolero facial wipes. So exciting. Guys, look at all the stuff that's in this bag. Okay, next we have, this says TSOV oils, I think, TSVO or something like that, oils. It says the smell of victory. You can find them on Facebook or Instagram at the smell of victory. And this says, so I guess this is like a scented oil. Yes, and it is scented by Daisy by Marc Jacobs. That's what it said, to my knowledge, that it's scented. Yeah, this is scented Daisy by Marc Jacobs, and these are scented oils, so you can just kind of like put that all over your skin and smell fabulous. The next thing we have in here is Jaded Madison Ladylike Lip Gloss, or lip color this is. This is what it looks like. It's really shimmery because it's got this packaging on it, so let me see if I can take this off for you real quick so you can see it. I love this already because it already looks like this is a nice color that I will like. So this is the color. The color is, or maybe just Ladylike is the color of it, but let's see here. We'll take a look at it. So it's a nice shimmery pink. You can see that. I've got some lipstick on right now. Let's see. I mean, it's like really like the perfect color for me. These are the colors that I love to pick out. So. Doesn't really have a smell to it or anything. Super smooth, goes on great, has a nice little shimmer to it, perfect for summer this time of year. I think it's lovely. I love this. Again, this is Jade Madison Ladylike, so this is fabulous. Okay, then the next thing we have in here, this is a Studio G magnetic list pad. So this is, you know, stick this, you've got lists to make and keeping your life organized, things that you gotta do, groceries you have to get, things you need to remember. So this is a 7 a.m. till 10 p.m. list. It's magnetic on the back, so you can stick it on your refrigerator or any magnetic place, and you can write down the things that you need to do today. And keep yourself organized. Oh, I think it's sticky too. It is. It's sticky too, which I think is great because if you've got maybe like an Erin Condren planner or a day planner, if you are out, if you have this on your refrigerator and you're remembering to write things down, you can stick it in your planner for you know, later in the day or something like that, or just to keep. So they are sticky and they are magnetic, so that's great. Okay. Oh, there's 2 Plexus Slim in there. Bonus! You 2! That's really awesome. Okay, so the next thing we have is a notepad or to-do list, same kind of thing. So this is just kind of to keep your life a little more organized. Look at the side of it. Can you see this? It's like a rose gold shimmery color. It's probably hard to see, but it's really shimmery and it's rose gold. And one more way to keep your life organized, because if you are a busy woman, you got to write things down and remember to do things. Okay, so that was a ton of stuff in this box. So I think it's a really, really great deal. Again, the box for my age women who are out of college would be $29.99. The college age box, and again, these are curated specifically, not the, you know, like the college women, the teens, the young, they all get different things. So the college age women's box is $24.99. The teens, which is their bestseller, is $19.99. And the Young Dreamers is $14.99. Now, if you are interested in doing this subscription box, which I think is great, I mean, look at all of the stuff that you can get. I mean, this thing is like loaded with stuff. We've got so much stuff in here. If you are interested in doing that, you can go to dreamgirlbox.com and sign up for the subscription. If you use the code, and I think you have to use all caps, if you use the code MANDY, M-A-N-D-Y, I'm Mandy with a Y. If you use M-A-N-D-Y-G for Mandy Gladden in the promo code area, you'll get $5 off of your first subscription box. So that's a great deal, and thank you so much, Ebony, for doing that for my viewers. So thanks so much. Oh my gosh, I need to smell this. this body butter in. Oh, it's delightful. I'm just gonna like put this all over my skin. But yeah, this is a wonderful box. There's a lot of stuff in here, and you know, these are decent sized items. It's not like teeny tiny little samples of things. These are, you know, either full size things. You know, these are full size. You get a nice mask. This is 2 full ounces of the body butter, which is great. This roller is gonna last a long time. So these are like decent sized products. So I really love that. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to drop them below. I'm happy to answer. Hopefully I didn't leave anything out. I mean, yeah, look, full size. I mean, this is well worth it, really worth it. And I love that she's all about kind of uplifting women and empowering women and just kind of, you know, making them feel beautiful about themselves. And like she said, it's not all about outward beauty, it's about inward beauty too. So I love that. Again, this is the Dream Girl box. You can get it at dreamgirlbox.com. I'm so excited to be able to review and unbox this for you, and hopefully do some more unboxings in the future so you can see more, because it's so much fun. But get one for yourself and unbox it. So again, next month will be the summer fun box. So it'll be totally different. This box is already out, so you can't get this one, but you can get next month's box, which again is the summer fun. And that sounds really exciting because, of course, in a summer fun box, you're gonna have some great things. So head over to the website, make sure you use promo code MandyG to get $5 off of your box. Get this for the teen in your life. Like, what little girl or what teen doesn't want this beautiful box full of wonderful stuff to come to them each month? Like, I think that's just great. So definitely do that. Get it for yourself, get it for a loved one. You can give it as a gift. It's great. It supports a great cause and helps women who are, you know, doing their own thing. And I'm all about that. If you know me, I'm all about women doing their own thing and, you know, making their way in life and going after their dreams. So thanks you guys so much for watching. Again, drop comments below if you have any questions, and I hope you like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.